The Eugen Planet dual-motor mini table saw features independently operating 895 and 795 motors, enabling seamless stepless speed adjustment for both sanding, drilling, and cutting modules. Cutting depth can be adjusted, and a 14-pound body weight that ensures operational stability. Equipped with a variety of saw blades, sanding, and drilling accessories, it allows you to effortlessly process different materials. The table saw's work surface is constructed from reinforced aviation-grade aluminum alloy. The miter gauge and fence feature angle-adjustable designs, enabling precise alignment for the majority of precision machining applications, including woodworking, metalcraft, and composite material processing.
When the infinitely variable speed knob at 0 degrees knob position, the machine enters a power-off state, effectively preventing accidental switch activation and unintended blade engagement caused by inadvertent contact.
This is the only table saw in the market featuring a dual-motor configuration. The primary cutting blade and the side-mounted external drill chuck operate through independent motor control systems, maximizing energy efficiency, typical power conversion rate greater than or equal to 95%, while enabling isolated activation.